Hi, do you suffer from migraines, headaches, teeth grinding, TMJ? Then try this acupressure tapping to relax and engage the healing power of your vagus nerve. Place your fingers behind the jawbone, just below the earlobes, and lightly tap. 2, 3, 4. Slide onto the jawbone. 2, 3, 4. The middle of the jawbone. 2, 3, 4. And then just below the lips. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to stay there. Just gently massage that point. The middle point, gently, as lightly as you can, and feel the weight of your jaw letting go of stress. Try that a couple of times a day. See how good you feel.